level là, fuck it up, 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 hey.
What's up, Win Squad, and good morning to all my Win Squad family, man. So today video is gonna be a vlog video because I'm in Florida. Yes, I'm in Miami for Haitian Flag Day weekend and stuff. So happy Haitian Heritage Month to all my Azos, and happy Flag Day to all my Azos, man. So this is why I'm down here, like, to have a good time for Flag Day, you know. So yeah, we're here to have a good time, man. So I got here yesterday, but I didn't really do much. I went to get a haircut. Shout out to my barber. Yeah, I went to get my haircut yesterday, and I was trying to go out, but I couldn't do it because I was too tired. But today we're going to a party, so you know I got you. So I'm gonna make sure I get every little detail for you guys. So make sure before this video go any further than that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, man, you already know what you gotta do, man. Subscribe so you can be part of the Win Squad family, because this weekend in Miami is gonna be a movie, so you don't want to miss it. Feel me? So put your, like, post notification on and stuff, so whenever I post something, so you can get the notification, man. So this is where I'm at right now, man. Yes, you know the vibe. Yes. But I'm not gonna stay here for too long though, because I'm staying somewhere else. This is my sister spot. Yeah, my sister came down here with me, so they're staying here. I'm gonna stay with my boys and stuff, you feel me? So, you gotta give the ladies some privacy, you feel me? Yeah, but yeah, this is where I'm at and stuff. So yeah, so this is in Sunny Isle, I believe, Sunny Isle area. So if you guys need a good view and stuff, ocean view, that's the ocean view right there. So if you guys need an ocean view, just don't hesitate to come to this area. You won't regret. Yeah, so this is where I'm at. So yeah, it's very beautiful. So I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long, because I gotta go get ready so I can go pick up my car. You know how it is, man. So if you come to Florida, you don't get a car, I don't know how you're gonna get around, because people not gonna drive you, and Uber and Lyft, very expensive, so you might as well get a car. So that's what I'm gonna get. So I'll catch you guys later. All right. morning, Win Squad, man. So today's day 2 in Florida, man. I mean, yeah, I've been here since Wednesday, but for me, this is day 2 because we didn't really do much on Wednesday. So yeah, so you remember I told you I went to get a rental. So this is it, drop top. Yes sir. So this is our rental, and my brother's driving this one, the Beamer. But yeah, so we're about to go to the yacht right now and stuff. So we're about to go there, and I will see you guys there. I'm about to pick up the food from Le Bistro. So shout out to Le Bistro for providing us the food. But yeah, I'm about to go there right now, man. I'm about to drive to go get the food and stuff. I already have the liquor in the back. You already know, man, it's gonna be a movie, so stay tuned for some videos and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys soon, man. So good morning and happy Haitian Heritage Month, and that's the reason why we're in Florida, you feel me? So we're here for one purpose, man, just for that, to have a good time. I feel like my camera is kind of like, you know, ashy. All right, so yeah guys, so I like the sound of this car. Sounds like, okay, so you see, we got the liquor right here, man. We just ready for the lituation. I think that's the right word, right? Lituation. So yeah, I'm waiting for you. So I will see you guys soon, man. I'm in a hurry, so I don't know if you guys like my outfit. I will make sure I take some pictures for you guys. So yeah, man. So thank you guys. And Wednesday's back. Let's go. We're in the building, man, so we're waiting on the yacht, man, to pull up. And the whole gang is here, man. Yes, sir. Gang. So yeah, man, you know the vibe. We're about to have a good time, man. Good vibes only. My boy Whitney in the cut. Yes, sir. Sorry. Gang. Got the food here, of course. It's here.
level là. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Hey, whoa. Mes amis, ça va bien la tonton. We just getting started.
Ménage la apestil, li pa vle paye bil, li vle ferme yon nan kay la, pa bay vibe yo vle ya. Donnez, boy, you about to lose your job, why? You about to lose your job. Jeunesse parce qu'il est en danger. TB allié.
Oh yeah,
Que l'on fâché pour ça.
Nap drip, nap flex, nap passe drip nan les. Kap bitch, kap twek, la pa gen trip kares. Vin drip non, de pou pa drip pou sa. Vin drip non, de pou pa drip pou sa. Bidotilet e bi conflex, bidotilet e bi conflex, bidotilet e bi conflex, bidotilet e bi conflex. Vin drip non, de pou pa drip pou sa. Vin drip non, de pou pa drip pou sa.
yo, ils sont TB à basou badou. Pouti pa ven for fresh ou Rémi matin nous joue les joies. Femme yo flight en koulou gaou. Nous c'est best gang, nous fait belle game. Je nous pull up sous G-Wagon. Femme yo remen, je nous black et bindan. Nous pas respecter même cortège président. Vin trip non, Pouti pa ven for gen connexion. Vin trip non, gade moun nan ligne de kou élection. TB Linda, gen Marina, mesdames sa yo, c'est Badjanka. Nan TB ya, yo gen dala, bidon tilet et puis conflex.
Bidotilet et puis conflex yo. que bagaille.
Lamborghini, respectez ça. Respect, belle base.
God, I wonder, can you hear me? Thinking about the old me, I swear I miss you dearly. Stay down till you come up, I've been sticking to that theory. Every day a battle, I'm exhausted and I'm weary. Make sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes teary. I fall
Thank you.